Assalamu alaikum, student of class 7. Hope all of you are fine. I'm here, your English teacher, and as you know that we already started unit 3 Gwadar Port, and I already explained for you, and I have given you the syllable words which was your first lecture. Now I'm going to give you the second lecture. You can collect as you will get your timetable, that when you have to collect and when you have to submit. Please submit in time and do it in time and write in your beautiful handwriting. So let's talk about the first lecture again, that we have done syllable words, and I have explained for you, which was the Gwadar Port, page number 17, and we have done page number 18. I have explained for you page number 18 also. It is also the same Gwadar Port. And see that you have done this syllable words. Now you have to do words meaning. In the lecture 2 you are going to do the words meaning. The first word, difficult word, is economic. Economic means health of a country. It's mean it is connected with trade. Economic means connected with trade. It's mean with the business, industries, and development of wealth of a country. When there is a need of the development, when you need to develop your country, your economy should be stable. So economic means the connected with the trade, industries, and development of wealth of a country. Because when your economy is good, you are a wealthy. So it is all belongs to three things: trade, industries, and development, which is belongs to a wealth of a country. Now let us see the second one, coastal. Coastal means off or near a coast, which is near a coast, of a coast, that is called a coastal. Memorial. Memorial means a thing that will continue to remind people of somebody or something. Memorial is like memory, you are saying always memory. Memory means that a thing that will continue to remind people of something about or something. You're talking about something about your memory, some history, so that is our memorials. So the number 4, transshipment. Transshipment means the activity of moving goods from one ship to another. When there is a trade, or when there is a transfer, or when there is a business, so when they are transferring the things from one ship to another ship, it's mean by sea. So that activity is called transshipment. Prosperity. Prosperity means the state of being successful, especially in making money. When there is when you are successful, especially in making money, which belongs to chapter number, unit number 3, Gwadar Port. And know that it is a port, it is a sea port, which we have in our class, and that is situated on Arabian Sea in the Balochistan province of Pakistan, which is a very beautiful. And as I told you, that this is the place where the people want to see it, so beautiful, and tourists, they want to see it. It has many minerals, and inshallah, when the Pakistan will stable and will have opportunity to find out all these minerals, this place will be more beautiful. So I wish to visit over there, and I want you to also visit there and see how it is. So I have given you some vocabulary words, which when you will collect your work, these lecture 2, and then you can get it, those words. Find out those words from page number 17 and page number 18. You will get it. So do it. First you have to do this word. Second thing, that those words which I have given you, that you have to find out and write in your copy. So don't forget it. Take in time and submit in time. Wish you good luck.